What's hot? At Vestal. Heavy-duty roll-out shelving supports and stores heavy dies, fixtures, and machinery. Shelves should be rolled out one at a time for simple product placement as well as personal safety. All steel construction with powder coat finish. Mounting holes are pre-drilled, assembly hardware is included, and mounting hardware is available separately. Shelves can be extended outward 20 inches. Shelves are lockable in extended position. Individual shelf heights are adjustable. Top shelf is fixed and non-adjustable. Additional add-on kits are available. Be sure to visit us at vestal.com for more information.
We're Vestal Manufacturing. We've got it.